JRV Mitchell at Camping World in Buford, Georgia. Today is a beautiful day to buy an RV. We are looking at a 2019 Forest River Salem FSX 187RB. This is a 22-foot unit, weighs right at 3,000 pounds. We have the electric winch. As we all know, in the summertime, it's much easier to push a button than it is to run the spinners. Got some through and through storage underneath here. Got a solar charge connector. It's got a solar charge connector. LED and the canopy. Outdoor speakers with an additional outdoor outlet. This one obviously needs a mattress. This might be one of our DIY fixer-uppers. The price will be in the description below. The link to it will be in the description below. It's like the couch converts into a bed. We got a 2-top burner, microwave, nice bathroom, good sized bathroom, lots of storage. With, I guess they all got fork fans. Oh, it's just no fan. We have a rear vent, top vent. Little place for your TV here. Good looking little unit. Come get it before it's gone. Beautiful day to buy a camper. We're out here at Camping World in Buford, Georgia, under the great big American flag. You can't miss it. We're right off of 85, 2289 Rock Quarry Road here in Buford. Look us up online or come see us. When you get here, ask for JRV Mitchell.